everyone, welcome back to the vlog, or welcome if you're new here. If you're new here, my name is Kim and we have just touched down in LA. We're literally putting the stuff in the car now. That's why I'm starting to vlog now while they're loading up the car. But so excited for the day and the trip to start. Let me introduce you to the new characters of the vlog. All right, obviously you guys know Dom, but this is her cousin Amanda. And this is her husband.
This is her cousin.
This is her husband, Corey. But let's head out to the hotel now. Hopefully our room is ready. And then we have a tour shortly after. Guys, quick update. We made it to the hotel after eating In-N-Out, and now we are running very late to our cannabis tour. We are waiting for our car to get here from valet, but there's some sort of like, I don't know, they're filming something, so let me show you guys. You can see. Like, I wonder what is going on over there, like what that's for. But anyway, yeah, that's the update for now. It says it's going to take about an hour to get where we need to go, so hopefully we're still able to do the tour. I guess if not, we're going to have to pivot and see where the night takes us.
2 hours later.
Okay, we are now at District Market, which we just want to walk around because it looks really cool here, but we also don't want to fill up too much because we're going to Din Tai Fung in a few hours. But we got a carne asada empanada from Nona's Empanadas. And what's the other one? Philly cheesesteak. This is the carne asada. Delicious. And I do really like the dough. I also really hope you guys can hear me. I didn't realize how loud it is in here. And I don't have my mic out. But both very solid empanadas. This is so cute. That's so cute. I'm starting for date is our nail. Hello there, guys. We've made it to Din Tai Fung, and the first thing we got was the ribs. Oh, it's also Amanda and Corey's first time having it. Amanda, what do you think of the ribs so far?
These were delicious. So yummy.
Thank you so much. It was delicious.
Day 2.
Hello from day 2. We are right now heading to the Warner Brothers studio store. We did get here pretty late, but thankfully we called and they said that we can still go because they do the tour every 10 minutes. So that's good, but very excited for today. Yesterday was an interesting day for sure. I'm not gonna go into detail, but it was an interesting day. But today we are doing the Warner Brothers tour, like I said, and then we're gonna go to the Walk of Fame after. Don't know where we're getting lunch yet, but I don't know how much I can actually record of this tour, so I'll probably put a few clips in, but I don't think I can really film much, so we'll see. Hi guys, we are officially out of the tour and we have landed in the gift shop as one does. But I'm looking at these sweaters and I feel like, what do you think? Should I do the blue or this one? I'm getting this one. And I want to get the same one. I don't know, I kind of like this blue.
Yeah, get that one.
I want to do the blue. I think I like this. Very soft. Let's look around a little more. Okay, we are officially done with the Warner Brothers tour. And what did you guys think?
Loved it.
It was actually Dom and I's second time doing it.
And it was different.
But it was different, so
They say every time you come,
Yeah.
that it's different depending on what's available to show, what's like what tour guide you get.
yeah. Yeah, our tour guide definitely took us into different places that we haven't been before. So that was cool. But now we are going to try Jack in the Box because yesterday our tour guide, the cannabis tour, told us that it was good. So we're gonna give it a try. Dom just looked on TikTok for a few minutes to see what's good there. And we're gonna give that a try. And then after that, we are going to the Stars, the Hollywood Walk of Fame. So let's go get Jack in the Box. Let's see if that guy was right or if he's misleading us.
We have so much food.
We're at Jack in the Box now. We got a lot of food, as you just saw. Let's do some taste tests. Chicken tenders look good. How were they? Did you guys try it yet?
Good.
Mm-hmm.
The big ones.
Yeah, but just the breading looks nice.
It's nice and crunchy though.
Oh.
You guys got the tacos? With the ranch.
They got the mini
Compared to
tacos.
the chicken tender?
This is just so small and cute. Just to compare.
Now let's do with them.
I have an iPhone 16, not the Pro. With the buttermilk ranch, you said?
Yeah, it's really good.
Ooh.
What's this one?
Creamy avocados.
I got the burger, the bacon burger on the toast. Wait, there's ketchup. Okay.
We'll try a box.
Try onion rings.
It is blanc. You know what? I'm gonna stick an onion ring in here if you
Yeah?
don't
Yeah.
mind.
Oh, hell yeah. Try an onion ring.
Onion ring in here. They did have onion rings in there. I just didn't know if it was gonna be too much. So I just got a regular one. I wanna ensure.
Are they good? I'll try mozzarella sticks too.
Mozzarella stick.
Yeah, they pay like $1, maybe $1 more for super than we do. It's crazy. Wow.
Solid mozzarella stick. I think we need this one. That's so cute. Action. Okay guys, we're back from our outing today and we have a little tour to show you guys. Okay, first thing we got is this magnet from the Warner Brothers studio tour. We got one for ourselves and one for Dom's sister. And then Dom and I basically got the same sweater, just in 2 different colors. So I got the blue one. It's so soft. I love it. And then Dom got a dark, like a navy color. So that's what we got at that store. Then we went to the Walk of Fame, as you saw, and we went into, it's like the Disney Studio / Ghirardelli store, and we got some pins that are exclusive to there. So we got Mickey and Minnie, and we got this one that's Mickey and Minnie at the El Capitan Theater. And then I got this one for my board. I love Penelope. She's so cute, and I feel like you don't find many pins of her. So that was that. I feel like the other thing we bought is this Friends magnet. That was from the Warner Brothers store too. And that's basically it. That's all we bought today. That's pretty good. Pretty good for us. Don't think it's gonna be the same the next 2 days at Disney, but at least it's like gonna balance out. Would you like to show your purchases today, Amanda?
Action. Okay.
Okay, wait. You gotta come over here, girl.
Oh, I have to go over there? Okay.
Action. I love this thing. So cute. So wait, she did buy this. This is hers. She bought this for her movie room in her house.
I bought these 2 books for my goddaughter. How cute. And then I bought this for my mother-in-law because she's taking care of my baby, Penelope. How cute is that?
That is a cute one. I like that color.
And then I bought this for myself.
Good one.
I bought this cup for my dad.
Oh. I didn't even see that you got that.
And then I bought this for my mom. I thought this was super cute.
Oh, that's cute. I like that. That's cute.
Yeah, and that was pretty much, oh wait, did I show my pen? My favorite thing. My $3 pen, and it writes so smooth. And that's all.
Okay, so that's what we got today. Now we're trying to figure out where we're going to eat tonight. So the options are downtown Disney, or there's a Mexican restaurant at our hotel. So we're going to look to see which one we think is better. But either way, we do want to go to downtown Disney to try these cookies. What's it called?
I don't even know, but it's a bucket full of cookies.
It's at the end of downtown Disney, close to Din Tai Fung, like one of the first booths. So it's probably just best if we go to downtown Disney because we need to go there anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess you guys will see what we decide in a second. We just got Kathy's cookies. We're about to give it a try. They're like so nice and thin. I'm so excited.
A bucket of 36.
We got a bucket of 36. Yes, show the bucket again. They're thin though, so.
I dumped the shit
Oh.
out. I dumped it.
This is so good.
Sorry.
This is so good. Amazing. 10 out of 10. Alright. Go get these cookies.